Perhaps some of you are currently creating a presentation in PowerPoint and want to add an effect to the title or the initial presentation screen. One effect you might want to use is the letter entry effect. There are several effects you can use. Want to know what they are and how to apply them to your slides? Watch this tutorial to learn how. Go to the animation menu and select Add Animation. Then, there will be a selection of effects. Select More Entrance Effects. A new window will appear containing various effects you can use, but we won't use all of them. To create a letter entry effect, there are several effects to choose from: flip, whip, and drop. Select one of these effects and click OK, and the effect will automatically be applied to the text on your slide. To see the effect, click Preview. If the letter dropping effect is too fast, you can adjust the time in the timing section. We can adjust the duration by increasing it from 1 second to 1.5 seconds. How? It's easy, right? That's how to create a letter dropping effect on a PowerPoint slide. We hope this tutorial is helpful.